Thanks for joining me once again. I'm going to already have to say, excuse any noises you can hear in the background of like banging, because there's people playing with fireworks as usual. It's that time of year, so never mind. But today we have this. Just a new toy. Bizarrely wrapped in a lot of tape, yet this is supposedly brand new. And yet it has these circular things here. In fact, yes, that has been retaped up. So does that mean that this has already been sent to somebody's and they've said no? It's basically a return, potentially. That's not how I bought it. I've just got this because there are times when I want such a device. So it could be useful. It's a poor man's Dremel, basically. Right, what we got in here? Excuse any other noise. That's a lot of fireworks going off. And yet it's 5 days later than Guy Fawkes Night. Where's that one from? Is that from there? Yeah. So, we've got sanding discs. Different grit sanding discs, cut off wheels, whatever they are. Presumably they're a bit like grinder wheels. Polishing compound. For buffering something. That's a bit weird because that should surely be there, because that's... God, they're awkward to get in there. There's more cutting wheels, but these are different. Some little drum sandery type thing. There is an item there which is a bit like an Allen key, but it's not an Allen key. Oh, these are buffery things. Well, there is it. There's quite a few little bits in here. Don't know where to begin really, but let's get to the main bit. Right. It's rather marked. But yeah, you can hang it up. Not the nicest colour, but you can hang it up and use this. You screw that onto there, presumably, or something onto there. I'm not sure if I even got that on the camera. That somehow attaches to there, which would be in that manual. And then you can use this hose thing to do your work down low, which is nice. That's one thing I will be using. There's just your instructions and bits of broken plastic. Which is a bit dubious. Where would that have come from? But never mind. I always say that. Right, that is very loud fireworks. But that is our Guild 130 watt 218 piece tool. So that's what you get in this set, which you can purchase from Argos. That's not where I got this from, but that is your set. That's what you get. I've not seen any other videos of this. Hopefully this one was useful for you. If you're looking for this type of thing, you can now decide whether you want to buy it or not and go and pick it up. It's not expensive, and if you're a hobbyist and you like playing with things, then this would be ideal by the looks of it. It's quite a good case, and it's all nice and tidy inside, and you can buy extra bits elsewhere from different companies. I believe Dremel stuff should fit this, and also the knockoff cheap stuff. This does feature, although I wouldn't necessarily call it a feature, but it's supposed to have a 2-year guarantee. Which is good. This might be useful for someone. It's variable speed, but you can change the carbon brush, which is one thing that would need changing eventually. So yeah, it's adaptable. You can do stuff. Yeah. Hopefully this has been a good video for you, and you'll go and buy one if you need to or want to. Thanks for watching. Please hit subscribe and join me next time for something else. Thanks again.